Why most gurus are selling you a dream and keeping you poor. Type passive income into any search bar, and you're bombarded. Automated income streams. Make money while you sleep. No effort required. Buy this course, follow these 3 steps, and watch the cash roll in effortlessly. It's the ultimate dream, isn't it? The siren song of financial freedom without the grind. But what if this entire narrative, the one promising effortless riches, is actually a carefully constructed illusion? What if the passive income most gurus are selling you is, for 99% of people, a dangerous lie? A lie that keeps them chasing rainbows, draining their time and ultimately leaving them poorer than when they started. This isn't about negativity, it's about truth, because true passive income does exist, but it's built on a foundation very few talk about, and it's anything but effortless. Let's talk about the appeal. Who doesn't want money without effort? That innate desire for ease, for escape, is exactly what the passive income industry exploits. They sell you the dream of an easy button. Buy a $9 ebook on dropshipping. Download a template for affiliate marketing. Follow a plug-and-play guide to sell print-on-demand t-shirts. The entry barrier feels low. The promise of effortless wealth feels high. But here's the truth. You become a chronic consumer of opportunities. Always learning, always bookmarking ideas, but never actually building anything. You're not free. You're stuck in a new form of dependency, one where you need the next guru to show you a magic trick that never appears. So let's reset the narrative. True passive income is not found, it's built. It requires massive upfront effort, strategic thinking, and significant investments of time, energy, or capital. Think about it. Does a landlord just magically collect rent? No, they acquired the property, handled repairs, manage tenants, and still maintain it. Does a software founder make money while sleeping? Yes, but only after pouring years into building that product. The make money while you sleep part only comes after you've worked like hell while awake. Gurus aren't making money from passive income, they're making money selling the dream of passive income. So what separates fake passive income from real freedom? One word: assets. Income streams are fragile. They can disappear with a trend, an algorithm change, or platform ban. Assets are durable. Let me say that again. Assets are durable. They are things you own. Things that have value and generate income consistently over time. A profitable business with real systems? That's an asset. An online course built from your knowledge? That's an asset. A property portfolio? Still an asset. A loyal audience and trusted brand? One of the most powerful assets today. When you own an asset, you don't just collect water, you own the faucet. So how do you build real passive income? It's a simple but demanding framework. First, solve a scalable problem. Find a real pain point, something many people face, and create a solution that doesn't require your time for every delivery. That's the active core idea that makes the rest possible. Next, build a system to deliver it. Automate. Design a system to deliver your product, service, or value over and over again, without your constant attention. This could be a course platform, a dropshipping backend, a newsletter funnel, or a licensing system. The system is your faucet. Then, invest in growth and maintenance. Even after automation, you'll need to nurture it. Update the product, improve marketing, outsource customer support, scale the systems. It's not 100% hands-off, but it's leveraged, and leverage is freedom. So what's the truth? Passive income is real, but it's not a shortcut. It's not instant. It's not effort-free. It's not for the lazy. It's the reward for strategic builders. The dividend of assets created with intent. It's built through sweat equity, before it becomes sleep equity. So now you decide, will you keep chasing the mirage, buying the next passive income hack, hoping for instant results, or will you build something real, something that endures, something that truly sets you free? It's harder in the beginning, but the rewards, time, freedom, ownership, and a future that no algorithm can take from you. Build the faucet. Don't beg for drops.